Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to build a UFO or spaceship as a Halloween decoration for your front yard. I was inspired to do this when I saw a Halloween alien setting in a little town called Ogunquit in Maine, and I wanted to recreate it. So with some simple supplies and some easy tools, you could do it too.
First, to construct the base, you will need 1-inch diameter PVC pipes. You will need to cut the pipes into 8 24-inch long PVC pipes, 16 12-inch long pipes, and 16 3-inch long pipes. You will also need 1-inch connectors. You will need 16 T connectors and 16 elbow connectors. Tools for this project include a pipe cutter or saw, Sharpie, measuring tape or ruler, and duct tape. Use the cutter to cut the PVC pipes into the correct size pieces. You may be able to buy some of the sizes already pre-cut at your local hardware store.
Now let's get started by putting together the base.
First, gather the 12-inch pipes, T connectors, and elbow connectors. Take 2 of the 12-inch pipes and connect them in the middle using a T connector. Then place an elbow connector on each end. Repeat this process until you form a large octagon, and that will serve as your base. Complete the same steps using the 3-inch pipes. Connect them in the middle using a T connector and on the ends with an elbow connector. Now gather the 24-inch pipes. Place one 24-inch pipe in each T connector in the large octagon. Place the small octagon and connect it to the top. Trace the small octagon on a piece of cardboard and cut it to create an octagon top. Next, glue the pipes together with either PVC pipe glue or use duct tape or both.
So now that you've built a very sturdy base and a lightweight base for your spaceship, we're going to work on the top part and get this thing looking like a real UFO. To build the sides of the spaceship, you're going to need a large piece of cardboard, or what I use is called Coroplast. It's a large sheet. I bought a really big one so I could just cut my pieces for the sides of the ship. I got it at Home Depot, but I'm sure you can find them in your local hardware store. This is just a piece of cardboard that I made as my mold, and we'll measure out the correct size based on the size of your spaceship. You're also going to need a Sharpie, a box cutter, or some scissors will do if you don't have one, measuring tape, and some very solid adhesive like Gorilla Glue. This is the heavy duty construction adhesive glue. I found this in my husband's toolbox. It's like an aluminum foil type tape. It's optional, just gives a little bit more character to your spaceship. And then I purchased some metallic spray paint. So let's get started.
To create 8 side panels, create a cardboard template for use and trace the side panels. To cut the corrugated plastic sheets, use a template to outline the proper shape and cut with a box cutter. Repeat this process 8 times. Spray each panel and octagon top with 2 coats of shiny metallic spray paint. Next, use Gorilla Glue to glue on the octagon top and the side panels to the base. Let the glue completely dry before moving on to the next step. Make sure you leave one side panel free, as this will serve as the door where you place lights and other cords inside your ship. Add metallic aluminum tape to the octagon top and to the edges of the panels to reinforce the hold. Using a bowl, trace a circle on the octagon top. Use the box cutters to cut out the center of the circle.
Okay, so we finished the UFO spaceship and we added a few finishing touches that you can do at home. This I made as it's like a little alien door, and this is actually just the top of one of those aluminum food storage containers that you can get at Smart and Final or Party City. I also, in addition to spraying a couple coats of this metallic silver spray paint, I use this Flex Seal Clear. It's a coating that helps with prevention of like water damage and that kind of thing. So I'm hoping it will hold up in the elements. I also added some LED strip lights. These are the ones that have sticker backing. You can just stick them on, and then I'll show you when it's all done how the lights look. And then I also used the silver tape just to clean up some of the edges and the top before I spray painted it, so it would look all like a silver finish. I added these puck lights. These are just stick-on puck lights I got at Home Depot. I got them in a pack of 6, and when you press on them, they're battery operated. You can just put those on the outer perimeter. I couldn't really find a good top for the spaceship, so I got the alien at Home Depot and put an extra large or green salad bowl on the top to help create a look like he's just popped out of the spaceship. And lastly, I wanted to show you, I created one door that I actually didn't glue down. That's just to help me include all the cords and for the lighting features. And then I'm going to just kind of push it under here, and then I can stick it on with the silver tape when I'm done. I also took some of the extra PVC pipe and made just a octagon around the top, spray painted it, and put everything together using a PVC pipe glue, which I think probably would have been a better idea than using duct tape for underneath, but we went with what we went with, and that worked. So anyway, I'm excited to show you the finished product outside when we have them all set up and ready to go.
To secure the free side panel that will serve as your door, drill 2 holes into the octagon top and 2 holes into the top of the free side panel. Use zip ties to secure the door to the octagon top. Now you have access to the inside of the ship.
So that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions or need clarification, please leave a comment down below, and be sure to hit that like button if you like what you saw. Happy Halloween!